CEMS Business Project course is so important for students and also for corporate partners. From the students' perspective, the business project gives them the opportunity to work on a real consulting project. We invite the students to imagine themselves to ask for a senior manager to face a new challenge or to capture a new opportunity, working together with people from different backgrounds, from different company departments, and having the responsibility to contribute or even to lead the project. During the journey, each student has the opportunity to work in team, guided by a tutor. On top of that, he has the privilege to work very close to the managers that in the real life are managing the business project. This manager will be the client for our students during 4 months.
Here we have real impact. We have the chance to improve the company that we work for.
What I value in the business project with Esade is the close collaboration between a corporate partner, an academic tutor, and a really diverse team where everyone can improve their own soft skills, and myself as a team member.
My team member are from China, India, France, even Chile, and then me as a Swiss guy working on a problem is just challenging.
This gives a very realistic picture on what we're going to find in the real world after all.
I was really surprised and really glad that we had to go to the Codorniu caves and discover this wonderful place together with the companies and the other students.
And we have the chance to communicate with the leaders from different companies.
We really enjoy working with the students and their profile. They're so diverse, they are so passionate, and each of them brings a very specific knowledge, either it being knowledge about the Spanish market or knowledge about sustainability.
Students are really focused onto this project, and we are really happy with the commitment that they are having with us.
There is a perfect mix, different cultures, backgrounds, so it's a very good fit, and what I like from them is the passion that they are putting to the project.
The midterm session is a day in which we have an agenda full of activity based on learning about trends, based on working with the client in team, and also, of course, celebration.